Hello. In this video, I'm going to show and explain the SOS or emergency feature on your Android phone. The emergency or SOS feature on Android phones is simply the feature where your phone, depending on the phone, it might automatically detect if you have been in a crash or anything like this, although I doubt that's common with Android phones. Or you may enter it through a few different means. For example, by entering the power menu, by usually pressing and holding the power button, or on some phones the power button and the volume up button, and then tapping on emergency, which will enter emergency mode, which on some phones it is quite simple, allowing you to exit it quite quickly. As you can see, you can call in here, but it's quite easy to exit. On some phones it may be a bit harder to exit, where you'll have to restart your phone, possibly if you're stuck in there, even wait for your battery to run out and then try turning it back on. Another SOS feature you may have is usually under settings. You can try looking for safety and emergency. Here you may see an emergency SOS setting, where it will allow you to quickly press the power button a few times and to enable SOS mode, which might allow you to, of course, automatically call emergency services, give your location to them, contact your emergency contact. You can try a demo usually, and we can just start, and then this. Now we can go through the demonstration. Now, usually it will show up a circle, which you can hold for 3 seconds to do all of those at once. Or you can cancel by sliding a slider, of course, which really you can look through those settings on your own phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.